Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to continue with our formulas and function on basic Excel, how to perform basic Excel calculations. And so I will continue by using this data to find the average of a given number. Average is the total divided by the number of items, as we all know. That's a formula for finding an average. Meanwhile, by using a function, you can also get the average with the support of Excel. And so let me put my title here, average. So I'll type my title, average. I'll type my title, average. And then we'll see how to get an average of these values, starting from cell B2 to cell D2 by using Excel function. And so I'll move straight to my function, automatic summation. Don't forget, I can do same here. I can go to insert function, I can go to formulas and many more. So I can also pick it from FS and look for my average function. It's highlighted. And so I can simply go to OK down here and tell Excel that I want to find an average of 80, 51, and 60. Get me the average of 80, 61, and 51 and 60. That is from cell B2 to D2. And then I'll come down here and click on OK. That's so interesting. 63.667. That is the average for James, the first person. Do not forget that you can just use your small black plus, which is the autofill. You can double click and it will give you the rest of the answers. I did this using what you call a formula, a function. So I'm going to try another thing. This time around, I'm going to write my own Excel formula to get me the average of the same values. Do not forget that in Excel, all formulas and functions start with an equal sign. And so I'll point my equal sign and tell the system that I need an average of all these values. So the range, I have 3 basic subjects, that is science, English, and ICT, 3. And this is the total for the first person, James. And so to get the average is this total, which is cell Y2 divided by the number of subjects, which is 3. So simple. Y2 being the total divided by the number of subjects, which is 3 subjects. And so when I press or punch the enter key, it's going to give me the same answer, 63.667. That is the average for the first person, James. You can take this and copy to the rest of the cells without having to waste much time. That is for average. We'll continue straight away and look at how to get the minimum value and the maximum values of ranges. The minimum and the maximum values of ranges. So very quick one, we're going to look at the max, which is the maximum. The maximum, you can do this by using a formula or functions the same way. If I want to use a function, simply go to FX and look for max. System will pick the range. You can also do it in your own way. I need a maximum value within this range. This is the 3 values, 80, 51, and 60. I want system to return the highest value among these 3 values. And so just simply press the enter key and your answer is given. Same way, come down here and copy to the rest of the cells. You can either drag or you do double clicking to have your formulas copied to the subsequent cells. Now, I'm going to my minimum. So I'll type min. minimum, and same procedure. With a minimum, I'll try first by using a formula. I'm dealing with formulas and functions. And so if I want to write my own formula, then it's going to be equal sign. All formulas and functions begins with the equal sign. So I'm starting with my equal sign and say mean, looking for minimum. So I say mean into brackets, and then I need a minimum within this range. Close your brackets and press the enter key. 51 is the least among the selected values. Move straight to the answer with the support of your small black plus autofill. Double click for the rest of the results. So it's going to retain the minimum value in the subsequent ranges, just like we did for the maximum. Don't forget that if you want to use what you call a function, it's the same way. When you click on the auto sum with a small arrow pointing down, you can find mean there. Tell the system that you need a minimum within these three values. Press the enter key and the answer is given. So that can also be done. That's a function that can also be done. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. There's more to come. Kindly subscribe and follow me for more on Excel. We are treating basic, intermediate, and advanced. So do not miss any of these tutorials. Thank you very much.